Hi there, roadies. This is Lee again, wanting to share a little bit of what we did at the RV trade show that happened a few weeks ago. I dragged Wally and Summer there, hoping to spend a lot of time looking at different RVs and seeing what it is that we might want for our future home. And in typical fashion, Summer was not having any more of it after about an hour and a half. So as it turned out, I only videotaped one RV. However, it was the one that we loved the most out of all the ones that we saw that day. It is a Cougar mid-bunk, and it was just a neat floor plan. In fact, Summer loved it so much that all the other people who kept coming into it, she kept telling them that that was her trailer and that the mid-bunk room was her room and for them to get out. It was quite funny and embarrassing all at the same time. However, we're just kind of concerned about the weight of it. We do have an F-250 Super Duty long bed truck. However, according to the label on the door frame, it says that the maximum weight for towing in that is like 10,000 pounds. Well, this trailer maximum GVWR is 11,000 pounds. But we got to thinking, well, gee, if we're not dragging around all that water with us, and if we don't have very much as in cargo, then maybe it could be doable. But since we have no idea exactly what the rules are on that, we would love to hear your comments if that is even a safe option for us to do. It is a fifth wheel, and I don't know if that makes a difference in it or not as well. So I will go ahead and show you the video, and hopefully the section where I actually showed the label, it'll kind of give you an idea what the numbers are on it, and you can tell us if our truck would be able to handle that kind of situation. And so enjoy, and we'll see you on the road. Hello, roadies. Here we are, Sandy, Utah, the Mountain America Exposition Center. We are just about to enter the Utah Sportsman's Vacation and RV Show. Can't wait to go inside and see what they have to show us. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. Here we have the Cougar 29 MBS, which means mid-bunk. And you can see it has the climate guard, and it's hooked up for Zamp Solar as well. Here's the show price that they're asking. And you come over here and you see a really good sized garage basement area. Hookups for the cable TV and all kinds of other stuff. It's got the really good latches for the door. Now we're gonna go in. Oh, check out the nice, cool, steady stairs. I'm going to come into the left first. And this kitchen is awesome. I love all the counter space, and look at how deep those cupboards are. Instant pot, friendly, trash can friendly. Look at all the counter space on top with the spice rack. It's too small for the spice bottles I use, but I could probably come up with something to put in there. Pull down shower, not shower, faucet. Double sinks, stainless steel. I would have preferred one solid sink, but that's all right. More counter space. Cupboards all up above. Nice large window above the sink. The cupboards. It's a small microwave, but that's okay. There's just 3 of us. And the oven is a really good size. I haven't seen this size yet today. The fridge. Nice and large with plenty of shelves on the door. Pantry. Look how deep those shelves are in the pantry. That is so awesome. There's 3 up above. And then there's also a bottom cupboard where you could easily put some sort of stacking system in there, or it could be another spot for a trash can. Whatever you would prefer. And as you turn around to face the living area, this is a whole slide out that has the dinette with the couch that folds out. The dinette folds out as well. Storage in the bench. TV across. Very good size. 4K. Pretty fireplace down below. More storage. Storage up above. Okay, now I'll come through up here at the top. There's people in the mid-bunk room. This is the only sad thing about this model is it's got a queen bed. However, with Wally's woodworking skills, we could easily build a platform to extend on both sides. Of course, there's cupboards down below and to fit a king mattress in there. Plenty of USB and plugs on both sides. Cupboards along the top and side. And then look at this. An awesome, awesome cupboard with shelves down below. And drawers. Now we'll check out the bathroom. No separate entrance to the bathroom from the bedroom, but that's not a deal breaker. Good size shower. Plenty of storage in the bathroom. Back down the stairs to the mid-bunk room. It's got the top bunk with the couch below, so it lifts up to give you more headroom. Now look at this awesome cupboard space in the bunk room. Look at that. I'm going to back up all the way to the back wall. Hanging space plus a shelf above. And the drawers are really deep too. I'll pull one out so you can see. Look how deep that is. I'll put my hand there so you can see. My hand, see? It's at least 6-8 inches deep. So awesome. So that's the mid-bunk room, and Summer has already said she loves it. Wouldn't that be great? Now, the trick. Can our truck tow it? Stay tuned. Okay, we reveal the truth. Look at that. Unloaded, 8840. Fully loaded, 11,000 pounds. That is so dang close. Of course, if we don't lug around our water with us, we could probably do it. I'd have to talk to somebody about it and see. Our truck is rated at 99. But if we don't take the water on, you know, it could be really close to being workable. What do you think? Is that ranging it too close? Please share your comments and let me know.